Welcome back to the concluding part. You can see this is where we stop for the last video we made. Now we have to apply gum on our chipboard because we want to wrap it with our lining. Once you are done applying gum, then you paste it on your lining. Don't apply gum on your lining. Once you are done with that, apply gum on your chipboard and lining because we have to fold it. That's the next step. Cut it out into shape, and then you start folding. Make sure you fold it with care. You fold it gently. Once you are done folding, this is going to be your results. Now we have to apply gum on our front. You actually know what I'm doing here. I'm folding the front as well. As we fold our front, here is the results. Now you have to apply gum on the base and the sides. So you have to notch it so it can lay. Then keep folding. Keep folding. You have to fold it. Here's the results. Then back to our fiber. You know we are using fiber board as our logo. So you can see here the area where you have to apply gum. Then fix in your words. Logo. You can see that I followed the line. I actually followed the line so that I won't make a mistake. Then apply gum to all the area that needs gum. Then now you apply gum on the leather. This is the leather that we are using. Our fireboard is meant for leather, as we all know. Paste it on it. Now you have to trace it with care. It must not tangle. It must not tangle. You can see that I'm making use of my scissors. It must not tangle. You have to be very careful. You can see. Do it gently. I want all the shape to come out in place. I want the shape to come out in place. You can see. You can see. See the way it looks. Then after that, apply gum to the other side. Apply gum to the other side and cut it out and start folding. You can see here's the result. Here is the work. So you can see the look. Then this area you have to measure 1.5. While this 5 by 1 inch, cut it into 2. That is for our what? Our D-ring. Then gum the two together. Cut it out. The area where I measure for my sides is 1.5 inch. Then fix it in to the both sides. Perforate your hole and fix your rivets. I make use of my plier to pin it down. Now we have to fix our back stand. The length is going to be 1.5, while the breadth is going to be 1 inch. Then perforate a hole. Then fix in your what? Your back stand. You can see the way it looks. Very gorgeous. You can see the way it looks. I'm marking out where the gum will stop because I'm to fix my chipboard and fiberboard together. I'm to gum the two things together now. Apply gum on your chipboard and your fiberboard. You can see I trace out the line, the midpoint. I actually trace out the line because you soon see the usefulness. Apply gum on my chipboard, I mean the front area, and I'm still going to apply gum to the back area. Applying gum to my front area and back. Let me first of all gum the chipboard. Now you will see the results. Why I mark out the line. You can see I want to follow the line. You can see this is what you're gonna do. This is how you are going to fix it. Once your measurement is accurate, then your bag will be accurate as well. You can see the usefulness of the line. You can see the usefulness of the line. Now this is the front area, this is the back area rather, that I want to fix. You can see I actually connect it with the line. You can see the way it look. Now I want to fix my bag stand to the fiber. From the both side, the area where I'm marking is 1 inch. Then after that, give it a point line, then join it. What I'm doing now is getting the half of the top, as well as that the half of the top is 1 inch because our top is 2 inch. Then join it together. Fix the back stand on it, then give it a point. After that, perforate a hole. I'm making use of my hole to perforate a hole, then fix my rivet. I want to use my rivet to hold the handle. Use my rivet to hold the handle. You can see. Then fix it in. Pin it. I'm going to pin it with my plier, as you all know. You can see. I'm pinning it with my plier. Then now we have to fix our magnetic lock. You can see. Perforate a hole, then fix it in. Fixing of magnets is not that hard. What I'm doing, this is not my first time doing this. You should have known by now. If you didn't understand, check my previous video. You will actually understand what I mean by this. Cutting out my fiber to the shape of magnetic lock. You can see I'm using it to hold it so that it's going to last. After that, apply gum on your fiber and your chipboard. Now you have to gum it together. After gumming it, don't make attempt for folding it yet. You have to gum it first, then apply shoe glue all around. You know this is totally gum work, we are not sewing it, so you have to apply shoe glue all around. I mean all round. Make it strong. Make sure no area is opened anymore. Make sure all the area is closed. Make sure you apply gum. Making use of our shoe glue to gum the bag totally. We are giving it finishing gum. As we all know, make sure it doesn't burn your hand though, because it's a bit hot, so it won't peel up your skin. Fix your shoe glue with care. You can see, you know, on the norms I didn't normally show you the area where I'm fixing my shoe glue, but I actually want you guys to all see how I'm fixing my shoe glue. Then here is the result. Now you can see the way it look. We are almost done with our bag. Once you are done fixing the shoe glue, once you are done with fixing of the shoe glue, then you can now fold it. You can see now we want to apply gum. You can see the outcome of the bag is coming out with a good look without we finishing it yet. You see that pure water nylon, fix it on it, then fix your front on it. Now you want to get the other side of our magnetic lock. Check my previous video, you understand what I mean by this. Don't open it yet. Open the front area, the top area, then make use of your shoe glue to pin it down, to gum it totally. That means your pure water nylon, you won't let it reach the top area. Then open it, remove the pure water nylon, or you can use poly bag or anything that is maybe like nylon, sure. Then fix your magnetic lock, then gum it together and give it the finishing glue, which is your super glue. Then gum it together, gum it together with your shoe glue. You can see it now. Here is our result. You can see the way it look. You can see how gorgeous, how fantastic it looks. Thank you very much for watching. Do well by subscribing, like, comment and share. Thank you all.